Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for being here. Today's meeting is important because we need to address the drop in employee motivation and performance at Dalila Sikh House. Our goal is to discuss practical motivation programs that can help our staff feel support, appreciate, and more engaged at work. Okay, Siti, please record the date and agenda for the minutes.
For the record, it is 20 November 2025 at 2:30 p.m. The agenda is motivation program to increase employee performance.
Okay, thank you, Siti. To begin, I would like Brenda from HR to give us a brief overview of the current performance issue. Okay, Brenda.
Thank you. Based on feedback from supervisor, we found several issues affecting motivation. As you all see, sales performance is inconstant. Many staff feel unappreciated at our organization. Morale has dropped the past 2 months, and employees want more training. Especially the senior employees also want more training about the new technology. Moreover, the new staff struggle with our product knowledge because new staff, they don't have any knowledge on our product. And finally, improvement made by staff are not recognized. So most of the issues are linked to low motivation rather than skill problems.
Okay, thank you, Brenda.
Okay, I have recorded this point. The recognition and training concern come up last week too when the staff approached me.
Okay, thank you, Siti and Brenda. Alright. Idina, as the manager, maybe you can share what you have observed daily.
Okay, sure. I noticed that some employees come to work, do their task and go home. There is no excitement. When we introduce new products, a few staff panic because they do not fully understand them. And honestly, some employees work really hard, but because nobody highlights it, they feel invisible.
Yeah, we do feel that sometimes some people try their best, but no one notices unless their mistake.
And I think the new products can be confusing if we don't get proper briefing.
Okay, good. Understanding these issues will help us plan better. Let us move on to solutions. Okay, next, we have several proposed programs to review. Let us go through them one by one. Okay, Brenda, please start with the incentive program.
Okay, Brenda. So to overcome those issues, we have decided to conduct some programs such as monthly bonus for the top employee and give reward for the most improved employee. And finally, team reward if the entire sales team hit the monthly target. So this motivates both a high performer and employee who are slowly improving.
Okay, thank you. Kiami, how about your opinion?
I like this because it gives all of us something to work towards.
Yes, and the most improved feels fair. Not everyone can be a top seller every month.
As long as the target are realistic, if they are too hard, people might get discouraged.
Okay. Okay, thank you. We will keep targets reasonable. Okay, for the next, the recognition program. Okay, for the next, the recognition program. Okay, Dina.
Okay, we need to appreciate staff more. Here my suggestion. First, employees of the month board. Second, monthly operation post internally. Third, small certificate of voucher. And lastly, highlight a good work during meeting. Small act go a long way.
Oh, I can help design the monthly post. Just send me the names for each month.
Recognition actually matters. Even a simple, good job makes it feel seen.
Okay, I agree. We will implement it. Okay, for the next is training and skill development. Okay, Dina.
Okay, so for training, we can do a short consider first product knowledge, customer service, and upselling techniques. Actually, helps our company to increase our sales every month. And lastly, basic digital marketing.
Okay, thank you.
I agree with Ina because product knowledge will help a lot. Sometimes customer ask things we do not know. For me, product knowledge is very important in customer service because when staff understand the products well, they can answer customer question quickly and confidently. Yeah.
And also maybe you can do a short training every 2 weeks. Not too long, just enough.
That sounds good. Okay, last but not least is team building activities. Okay, I mean, how about your opinion?
I think it would be nice if we could have something fun. Maybe we can do a bowling night. Yeah, bowling night. Also, badminton also we can do.
Potluck.
Yeah, potluck. For the girls, remember I think they like to eat, right? So we can booking a cafe or we can eat a buffet like a family. Like that.
Thank you, Amin. Okay, Fatin, how about you?
Yeah, I agree with Amin. We all come to work and go home. No bonding at all.
I think bowling is fun because I can help check the date if that work for everyone.
Okay, alright. These team building activities will be included. So based on our discussion, the programs we will implement are: the first one, sales incentive program; the second one, recognition and appreciation program; training and skill development program; and the last but not least is team building activities. Is everyone okay with this form?
Yes.
Alright.
Okay, I also have recorded this as the final selected program.
Okay, here is the proposed timeline. Incentive program starts next month. Recognition program starts immediately. Training session begin next month. Okay, first team building activity also next month. Okay, any objections?
No. Okay, I will include this timeline clearly in the minutes.
Alright, Siti, thank you. Okay, now responsibilities. Incentive program handled by HR, Brenta. Okay, recognition program handled by Siti and Idina.
Alright.
Okay, team building handled by Siti and Amin. Okay, staff feedback handled by Fatin.
Okay.
Okay, Siti, please write this in the minutes. Okay. Okay, before we close, any other issues?
Me? Some employees are getting tired from the shift rotation. Maybe we can review it soon.
Okay, I can add that to the next meeting agenda.
Okay, right. We will discuss that in the next meeting. Okay. Thank you everyone. Good discussions today. Let us work together to improve motivation and performance. Okay, thank you everyone. Good discussions today. Let us work together to improve motivation and performance. Okay, this meeting is at 3:30 p.m. Thank you everyone. See you soon.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Good afternoon everyone, and thank you for tak payah duduk tanya-tanya. Good afternoon. Okay.
Can do a short session. First, product knowledge. Product knowledge ni masuk live.
Masuk ke lagi.
20. Sorry.
Okay. How about your opinion, Siti?
I think
Mati nak